Imagine holding a camera so revolutionary that it completely shatters the barrier between independent filmmaking and high-end Hollywood productions. For years, Sony's cinema line has dominated the industry, forcing creators to make a brutal choice. You either spent tens of thousands of dollars on a massive, heavy rig that required a full production crew just to operate, or you settled for a standard mirrorless camera that overheated every time you pushed it to its limits. But with the arrival of the brand new Sony FX3 II, the rules of cinematography have been completely rewritten. This isn't just a basic spec bump or a simple cosmetic refresh. Sony has quietly engineered a cinema beast that shifts the entire landscape of visual storytelling. And there is a massive, hidden feature buried inside the sensor architecture that almost nobody is talking about. In this video, you will understand exactly why the Sony FX3 II is secretly the most disruptive camera released in a decade, and why it is causing top-tier Hollywood directors to completely abandon their multi-million-dollar camera setups. Let's look at the harsh reality of modern filmmaking. The industry has become obsessed with raw numbers. Brands are constantly chasing empty marketing buzzwords, bragging about resolution figures that don't actually improve how a story looks on screen. They try to convince us that high production value requires massive files, complicated post-processing pipelines, and endless technical headaches. But they forgot what actually matters to a viewer: pure, unadulterated image quality, breathtaking color depth, and the absolute freedom to shoot in any lighting condition on Earth without a single hint of digital noise. That is exactly where the FX3 II steps in. It stands completely alone, stripping away the technical friction and leaving you with nothing but jaw-dropping, cinematic images right out of the camera. For the longest time, choosing a compact cinema camera meant accepting a massive penalty in dynamic range and autofocus reliability. You got a smaller, more nimble body, sure, but you also got a sensor that couldn't handle high-contrast scenes, and an autofocus system that would hunt constantly, ruining an irreplaceable take. Sony completely changed the rules of the game this time. They didn't just tweak an existing mirrorless body. Instead, they took the legendary color science, the dual native ISO performance, and the extreme thermal reliability of their massive studio cinema cameras and condensed it into an ergonomic masterpiece that fits perfectly in one hand. The moment you first pick it up, the sheer build quality hits you instantly. It feels incredibly premium, structurally indestructible, yet perfectly balanced. Built from a high-strength magnesium alloy, the chassis is designed to withstand the absolute worst conditions an independent filmmaker can throw at it. From freezing mountain peaks to blistering desert heat, Sony eliminated the need for a traditional camera cage by embedding multiple industrial-grade mounting points directly into the body itself. You can bolt monitors, wireless transmitters, and audio gear directly to the camera frame, keeping your setup incredibly tight, rigid, and reliable on a chaotic set. But the real magic begins when you press the record button. The updated sensor inside the FX3 II is an absolute masterpiece of optical engineering. Sony completely overhauled the pixel design to deliver a level of dynamic range that was previously thought impossible in this form factor. It captures highlights and deep shadows simultaneously with breathtaking accuracy. When you are shooting a subject